So let's say you now know what is Discord and you're kind of interested in it and you just want to get started with using it. Well, today I'm here with a very short video explaining 4 simple basic steps on how you can get started with using Discord. Please note that this video is mostly made for new users who are recently about to start using Discord. But before I move on, please make sure you subscribe to my channel, leave a like to this video, and click on the bell icon below to never miss my upcoming videos. And if you don't know what is Discord yet, then I have explained that in my previous video, so make sure to check it out where I'll be linking it in the description below or above at the video. To start using Discord, the very first step you need is getting the app. Now you can download Discord for free on your desktop or your mobiles and tablets through the Google Play Store or Apple App Store. But if you don't want to download the app, then you can use the app on your web clients, which basically means using it on your browsers, such as your Google Chrome or Firefox and etc. Once you get the app, the very second step you need to know is obviously creating an account. You can create your account on the Discord registration page by going to www.discord.com or in the app, where you can download the app from the same link. Once you get to the page, you will be seeing the login page where instead you will need to look at the very bottom which says register. Click on the register, add your information, and create an account. Once you're done with your second step, your third step is claiming your account. Now, once you create your account, Discord will be sending an email to you which you will have to verify through your email. If for some reason you don't see the email, then firstly make sure you check your spam sections, as sometimes technologies can work upside down. But if you still don't find it, then at the top of your Discord app you will see an orange banner that says please check your email and follow the instructions to verify your account. And besides that, you will see a button that says resend. Click on it and go to your email, open it, and click on verify email. Now note that if you join a server before verifying your email, sometimes you may not be able to get access to that server, and that is because they have a strong security verification wall, which means they have set up a security level which won't allow unverified email users on joining and participating in the server. Once you're done with claiming your account, the very last step is verifying your phone number. I highly recommend this, and that is because this will help you to claim your account properly and prevent other scammers and hackers to claim your account, as this is internet. It's just a very good way to protect your account. How do you do that? To verify your account through your phone number, go to the My Account tab in your settings and then click on the Add button on the right side of your phone number section. Once you click on the button, Discord will ask you to add your phone number with your country and then click enter. And once you do so, you will receive a text message on your mobile with 6 digits of codes. Once you enter your 6 digits of code, Discord will ask you for your password to confirm that it is you. Add your password and click confirm. Once you click confirm, then you have officially claimed your Discord account and are now ready to use. And that's how you get started with using Discord safe and sound. Thank you for watching this video. I hope it was really useful, even though it's just for new users who are pretty much new to Discord and they don't know what steps they need to go through to start using Discord. So if you know anyone who's pretty much new to Discord, or if you want to invite someone to Discord, make sure to share this link to them. I hope this video was really helpful. If you enjoyed watching this video, then please consider subscribing to my channel and leave a like below. And if you have any further questions related to Discord, or you want me to make a video on a certain topic, then make sure to comment it down below so I can keep myself organized and create a topic regarding to that video in the upcoming future. Thank you everyone for watching and enjoy your Discord journey.